How to fix Spotify song not available in your country. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First step is make sure you have the latest version of Spotify. And then if there is an update button like this, simply press on it and then get the latest version of Spotify. After that, tap and hold the application and then go to app info. Now go to its storage section and then tap on clear cache. If the problem fixes, that's good, but sometimes this problem cannot be fixed. But you can still choose to use a VPN and that might work. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.